I'm Matthew Lee. So 4 million, that is the number of Google searches happening every minute around the world. It's a huge number. But also worryingly, that is also the number of people who are affected by diabetes in the UK alone. And nearly 1 million people are also affected by heart failure in the UK. Heart failure is a condition that occurs when the heart becomes inefficient at pumping blood around the body. Heart failure can be commonly caused by heart attacks, high blood pressure, heart rhythm disturbances, or problems with the heart valves. And why should we care? Well, both conditions are extremely common, diabetes and heart failure, and significantly impact millions of lives in the UK and all around the world. So we desperately need good, effective, and safe treatments for both diabetes and for heart failure. A new class of drugs called the SGLT2 inhibitors, for example, empagliflozin, were originally used as a treatment for type 2 diabetes. But by chance, these drugs were found to be also excellent drugs for patients with heart failure. For example, these drugs had very powerful benefits in heart failure to lessen the chances of patients dying or being admitted to hospital. As such, SGLT2 inhibitors have become a must-have foundational treatment for many patients with diabetes and patients with heart failure all around the world. However, no one actually knew exactly how they worked on the heart and what were the mechanisms of action. Therefore, we designed the SUGAR DMHF study led by the University of Glasgow to closely examine the effects of SGLT2 inhibitors on the heart. 105 patients with heart failure volunteered from 15 hospitals in Scotland. Half of our patients took empagliflozin and half took a placebo drug, and all patients had underwent very detailed heart MRI scans. After 36 weeks of treatment, we found that empagliflozin had significantly reduced the size of abnormally large hearts typically seen in heart failure, whilst patients who took the placebo did not have that same beneficial effect, which we call positive or reverse remodeling of the heart. So importantly, SUGAR is the first large study in the world to explain how SGLT2 such as empagliflozin work in heart failure. Our new discovery will help many doctors and patients all around the world welcome these drugs into the care of their patients. Doctors and patients love to know how new drugs work. Thank you very much.